Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about using your business card to land more window cleaning jobs. So if you're new to window cleaning, or maybe you've been in window cleaning for a while, one of the ways to get some window cleaning jobs is using your business card. Now, the number one way to get jobs when you're first starting off is to knock doors. And I've gone over that in another video, but in this video I want to talk more about how to land jobs when you're not knocking doors. What is the next best method? For me, the next best method is to use your business card. So the way I do this is, if I'm going around a neighborhood and I've knocked doors and I haven't landed jobs, then I'll move over to this second method. And there are variations of this second method. I'm just going to go over it in general terms here in this video. You can go to windowcleaningdude.com where you can learn more about this method and the different variations of this method. But for this video, I'm just going to talk in generic terms, and basically the idea is that you're going to take a business card and you're going to place it at the customer's home. Now, there are different places where you can place these business cards, and some are a more effective method than others. Now, there are more effective methods for how to place your business card at a residential location or even a commercial location, and I go over all these different methods at windowcleaningdude.com. Basically, the idea is you go out, you knock the doors, you're not landing jobs, so you switch over to the second method of placing your business card. And so what you want to do then is not even bother knocking the doors. You just want to go and place your business card at these various homes through the entire neighborhood. So then you're just going to spend the rest of your day going out and placing your business card to as many homes as possible. And my recommendation is to spend many hours just carding entire neighborhoods. Always be sure to stay off their property in terms of their grass. Just walk on their driveway or their sidewalks to place your business cards. If you do see a no solicitation sign at a front door, you don't want to place a business card there. You probably want to walk back out to the driveway and just drop your business card on the driveway. And at the same time, you don't want to be lazy and drop every business card on the driveway. It's more effective to place this business card in the front door area of the home. This is a very good way to market your business quickly and to land jobs, just depending on what you're putting on your business card and where you're placing your business card. But the idea here is that you want to go out and card an entire neighborhood. If knocking doors is not working, then you want to spend the rest of that day and all the consecutive days afterwards carding a neighborhood or several neighborhoods. You want to spend many hours each day. If you can, do an 8-hour day. Even though that's a lot of walking, card as many homes as you can. And I guarantee you that when you do that, you might start getting calls actually the exact same day as you're carding, as people are coming to their home, to and from their home, and they see the cards. You might start landing jobs that day, and you can start scheduling. I wouldn't go and clean that day unless they would absolutely need you to come and clean that day. I would continue carding once you've kind of gotten the card mode and you're out there dropping your business card, placing your business card. But it wouldn't be unusual to start getting people calling you same day, and then you go ahead and start filling in your schedule for the following days. And then over the next several days, you're going to be getting calls from all those cards that you've left, and then you can go ahead and then schedule jobs that way. So this is the second fastest way to start landing your first window cleaning jobs. And you can always do a combination of these first two methods of knocking doors and dropping cards. That's how you're going to start landing your first jobs. If you want to learn more about dropping business cards, what kind of business cards to make. So if you want to learn more about these business cards, the different types that I've made in the past that have been successful, learn about my marketing material, you need to go over to windowcleaningdude.com where you can find all that information there. I go over the different business card types and show you these cards. I will also be able to talk more about the placement of these cards and how to properly place these cards to have the most effective outcome from this marketing material. But in this video, I just kind of wanted to give you a short rundown of the second fastest way to start making money by using your business card. It's a very effective tool. You can carry a lot of them at one time. You can get them printed fairly cheaply, and they can be a very effective way to market your business. There's a whole method to using business cards and a way to effectively use them, how to place them, what to put on them, You can learn all about that at my website, windowcleaningdude.com. Go ahead and give me the thumbs up if you found some useful information in this video. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be a part of my window cleaning community here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, and comment down below anything that you want to know more about. And I will see you in the next episode.